This is the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Jamaica's under-20 girls 4x100 world record clocked at the Carifta Games in April will not be ratified by track and field governing body World Athletics. Reports are that the 42.58 clocking has been rejected because all four members of the quartet were not drug tested after the race. The quartet comprised of Serena Cole, Brianna Liston, Tina Clayton, and her sister Tia Clayton. According to World Athletics rules, a relay world record can only be ratified if all four members of a team are drug tested. The Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission was responsible for the anti-doping measures for the event. This means the mark of 43.27 set by Jamaica at the World Athletics Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya in 2021 remains the world record. Jamaica Zoo Attractions Limited, where a worker recently had his finger bitten off after taunting a lion, has been ordered closed effective today due to several breaches of its environmental permit. The announcement was made by the National Environment and Planning Agency. According to the agency, the zoo was ordered closed due to breaches relating to failure to ensure that members of staff handling animals are properly trained, accounting for species held and/or filing related reports, and submitting an animal nutrition and welfare program. The authorities said the zoo will remain closed until the company complies with the conditions cited in the notice. On the crime scene, a murder investigation has now been launched into the death of 7-year-old Aiden Rose, whose body was found in bushes behind his mother's house in St. James on Tuesday. Acting Police Chief for St. James, Superintendent Carlos Russell, said the investigation was upgraded to murder based on recent developments. No one has yet been charged in connection with the murder investigation. However, the boy's mother has been slapped with charges of neglect. In other news, a man narrowly escaped serious injury after the vehicle he was driving plunged over a precipice on the Spurtree Hill Main Road in Manchester this morning. Reports are that about 4 a.m., a Toyota Hilux was traveling downhill when, upon reaching a section of the accident-prone hill, the vehicle went over a precipice. Police confirmed that the driver, who told officers that he fell asleep, was able to walk away from the accident scene unharmed. Legendary national footballer Dendon Hutchinson has died. The 63-year-old football star and basketball coach died on Tuesday night at the Kingston Public Hospital. Hutchinson's common-law wife, Sharon Reed, said he became ill after amputating his left leg, which had been bothering him for over 40 years. Hutchinson made a name for himself, being a part of the famous Clarendon College 1977 All-Ireland champion team, dubbed one of the best schoolboy teams ever. He is one of a few players to have won both the Manning and Da Costa Cup. And on the international scene, United States President Joe Biden has declared June as National Caribbean American Heritage Month. The announcement was made during a White House proclamation and was in honor of the ways Caribbean Americans have added to the American dream. According to the U.S. President, America's strength has always been rooted in its diversity. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.